Today we're going to talk super useful topic about daily routines. First, we'll listen to a conversation. Next, we're going to practice together. And last, I'll give you some words to practice with. So, let's get started. All right, let's dive into our dialogue.
Hi there. How's your day going?
Hey, it's been good so far. Busy though?
Oh, really? What have you been up to?
I started with a workout this morning.
Nice. What kind of workout?
I did some yoga. It felt great.
Sounds relaxing. Did you do anything else?
Yes, I had breakfast and then ran some errands.
Busy morning. I had a quick breakfast.
Got it. What's on your agenda today?
I'm working on a big project at work.
How's that going?
It's going well. Lots to do, though.
I understand. Do you have plans tonight?
Not really. I'll probably read and cook dinner.
Sounds like a good evening. Let's catch up later.
Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Talk to you soon.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Great job listening to the dialogue. Now it's time for some practice. We'll do a role play where you'll be Sarah and talk to James. Here we go.
Hi there. How's your day going? Oh, really? What have you been up to? Nice. What kind of workout? Sounds relaxing. Did you do anything else? Busy morning. I had a quick breakfast. I'm working on a big project at work. It's going well. Lots to do, though. Not really. I'll probably read and cook dinner. Have a great rest of your day.
Well done. Now let's switch roles. You'll be James and talk to Sarah. Here we go.
Hey, it's been good so far. Busy though? I started with a workout this morning. I did some yoga. It felt great. Yes, I had breakfast and then ran some errands. Got it. What's on your agenda today? How's that going? I understand. Do you have plans tonight? Sounds like a good evening. Let's catch up later. You too. Talk to you soon.
Here are some words and phrases related to daily routines for you to practice. Try to use these in your daily conversations to enhance your English skills. Routine, a regular way of doing things every day. My morning routine includes brushing my teeth and having breakfast. Matter of fact, she follows the same routine at work every day. Errands, small tasks or chores you do outside the home like shopping or going to the bank. I have a few errands to run this afternoon, like picking up groceries. He went out to do some errands, including mailing a package. Productive, getting a lot done, being effective in completing tasks. I was very productive today and finished all my work early. Reading a book instead of watching TV makes me feel so much more productive. Unwind, to relax after being busy or stressed. After a long day at work, I like to unwind by watching a movie. She goes for a walk in the evening to unwind. Agenda, A list of things to do or discuss, often used for meetings. The meeting's agenda includes discussing the new project. He checked his agenda to see what tasks he needed to complete today. That's it for today's video. Thanks for practicing English conversations about daily routines with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest lessons. Share your practice experiences in the comments below. See you next time on English with Sasaki.